All right, welcome back. So for the sake of completeness, I know we did skip over this placebo and placebo effect. And so in our example that we talked about with the amount of sleep and exam scores, it really isn't relevant because everyone kind of knows how much sleep they got, so you can't really give someone a placebo. But these are very, very common in mostly kind of designed medical experiments. And so a placebo is just something given to the control group that kind of usually either looks like or kind of mimics the treatment, but has no active ingredient. So, for example, you might kind of think about maybe a diet experiment or something, and so you want to see whether taking this diet pill actually causes people to lose weight. And so your treatment group would be taking that diet pill. Your control group wouldn't, but it's probably a good idea to give that control group a placebo, which might just be like a sugar pill or something that doesn't even have anything in it at all, so that they're taking something. And so the reason you'd want to do this is because of this phenomenon known as the placebo effect, which is a documented effect in many studies that just occurs when um, the control group taking the placebo um, thinks that they're improving. And so this is, again, this has been documented a lot. And so if you're into psychology, this pops up quite a bit. But just this idea that if we take something that we think is medicine to help improve a condition, many people will report that they're actually feeling better, especially when the reporting is subjective. And so that way, if we have or if we give the control group a placebo, they're not just taking nothing, and so both groups might kind of equally think that they're improving. Okay, so that kind of rounds out this first section. This is kind of a minor thing, but I did definitely want to bring it up because if you are in psychology in particular, you might see this kind of a lot in this idea of giving the control group a placebo. Something that mimics the treatment but has no active ingredient, and the reason to do that is to kind of is because of this placebo effect.